How you guys doing? This is Tino from LAPC Networking, and today I want to help you with a tutorial about how to back up your device and how to make sure that your backup is available for restore. All the time I have customers that they believe that they back up their device to the computer, and then once they restore it, because either they want to do an update or they just want to restore like a fresh device and put the information back again, they can't find the information and they get crazy and everything is bad because they lost information. So I don't want this to happen to you. I just want you to make sure that you can back up everything and there is no problems. So for this, the first step is gonna be, you're gonna open iTunes. Once you open iTunes, you're gonna connect your device right here. Once you connect your device, if you have a password, you're gonna remove the password, and then it's gonna appear a little icon saying if you trust the computer, if you want to trust the computer. So obviously you're gonna click trust, and on the computer is gonna appear the same thing. I've just allow this iPad to trust the computer. Now once you do that, you're gonna go on the corner right here on this place that says iPad. If you have the latest iTunes, it's gonna appear right here. You're gonna click in that. Once you click in that, either the computer is gonna start automatically doing a backup like what it is doing right now, and if it doesn't do it automatically, if you have your iCloud setup, you're gonna touch computer and then you're gonna click backup. Once you do that, you're gonna see this bar going on the top, and this bar is gonna go from left to right. It can take 20 to 45 minutes, depends how much information and how much stuff that you have on your device. So once that everything is finished, that you don't see any movement over here, that means kind of like everything got backed up. So just to make sure that you don't do any mistakes and you have your information backed up, on your settings on the iPad, it's gonna appear a name. So if you say this one says iPad, you can put your name, your actual name, and if you see on the computer right here, it appears iPad. You can put like Tino's iPad, Richard's iPad, or any name. So just to make sure that your backup it's there on the computer, you're gonna go to iTunes and then Preferences. If you have a PC, probably it's gonna say File and Preferences, and then in here you have all these little icons here. You're gonna touch Devices. All these are the backups of the devices that you connect before to your computer. But in this case, we're gonna search for your name. If your iPhone has your name, or your iPad, and like mine is right here. And just to make sure, it's gonna have the date of the day and the time. If you see right here, it's right now 5:23 p.m. Right here it says 5:21 p.m. That means that just a couple minutes ago, I connect my iPad to back it up on my computer. So this is the way that you're really sure, making sure that everything is backed up on the computer. So and then you just can click cancel once you verify, because you don't want to do anything else here. Click cancel. And then that way you can now update or you can restore wherever you want to do. Now if you click restore iPad, it's gonna erase all the software, and then it's gonna come out like a new iPad. On the actual iPad, you're gonna see the welcome menu, the language, and all the stuff. But if it's still connected to your computer, it's gonna ask you if you want to restore from a backup, and your backup obviously is gonna have the name of your device, like in this case iPad, and the day of the day. And that way you can put all the information back. Okay, now if you have iTunes, iCloud, and you want to make sure that you have everything backed up to iCloud, what you're gonna do, you're gonna make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi, and then you're gonna go to the iCloud, and on iCloud you're gonna scroll down until you find backup. Once you see backup, you're gonna click on the on button here, and it's telling you that it's not gonna back up anymore on the computer on iTunes, and you just click OK. Once you do that, it's gonna show you about here after this little loading thing, and it says last backup never. So you never backed up your device on iCloud. So you're gonna click backup, and it's gonna start doing the backup. Obviously, you're gonna make sure that you don't disconnect your device from Wi-Fi. You know, if it's a cell phone, it's gonna do it through the network, but you still have to wait like 30 to 45 minutes. All right, so that way, once that finish, it's gonna appear last backup, and it's gonna appear the day of today with the time of the backup that you did. All right, I hope this video helped you. Please comment and subscribe. And then if you want to restore, once you finish restoring the device, if you do it on the device itself, it's gonna appear like I told you, like when you take out the iPad from the box, that it appears Wi-Fi, language, and it's gonna ask you to put your iCloud account, and then it's gonna ask you if you want to restore from iCloud. You're gonna select yes, and you're gonna select last backup with the day of today, or the day of the time that you connected. I hope I clarify everything for you, and I hope this video helped you to do the actual backup on your computer. And if you want to go back again, obviously you're gonna select this computer and backup. Alright guys, thank you so much guys. Please comment and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Put the comments down below, and enjoy and be safe. Don't lose any of your information. Thank you so much.